For this e-learning, I am going to create a new appointment, but for an existing customer. So I'm gonna say Mike. I'm searching and it's gonna be the Fusion range. Mike Martin. I found his account and I go for appointments. It's gonna show me the history of appointments for Mike. And down here, I can create a new appointment. The advantage of doing from a new appointment from the customer file, it's that WISE option will automatically put the name of the customer here on top. I could go ahead and select the patient, but for this lesson, I'm going to mention that he did not tell us the patient. He just said, it's going to be kind of, let's say, health certificate, 3, I'm going to say horses. And he would like to come for Dr. Stewart. It's going to be on the 29th at 2 p.m. And the exam type, I'm going to say health certificate. I'm going to reserve 3 patients. I'm going to reserve 1 hour. I could have another appointment type here only for health certificate with a specific color. That would be the best. But for this, I'm going to stick with my example. And when I save, that is done. And you can see here in the customer that the appointment is set. This is pretty handy because if the customer gives you a call and he or she does not remember when the appointment was for, you just go to that customer file, and when you look at the appointment, you're going to have the chance to take a look at the history. If you want to see the appointment in the calendar, you just down here have a shortcut to the calendar, and you can go to that date, and there you go. You're going to see the doctor here. The difference in color, because I am on the day view option, the difference in color you're going to see here is not about the appointment type. Because I am on a day view, the difference in color that I'm going to see is about the doctor color. However, if I go to multiple columns, which we're going to work and take a look later, you're going to see that each doctor has its own color. In this case, you're going to see the appointment type color instead. But I want to stick with this. Like I said, in another lesson, I'm going to explore a little bit more. So today you've learned how to add an appointment for a particular customer from the customer file in WISE option calendar. Thanks for watching.